What's going on, dear fans? This is my first video. This video series is actually good for React beginners. Today I'm going to teaching you how to create your first custom hook. So we have seen power of hook, right? We have seen use state hook, use effect hook, and many more out of there. But today we are going to build our very first custom hook, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay guys, this is the app we are going to build today. It's a very small app, job generator. Once I click the job generate button, it's generate a job for us. These texts we are going to use today. First we are going to use React.js. Next one we are going to tailwind CSS for style our project, and last thing is custom hook. Okay, these steps we are going to use. Tailwind CSS very popular style library these days. So I'm going to use style this application using Tailwind CSS. Okay guys, let's jump into the project. First step, we need to create fresh React project. In this video I'm not going to show you how to install Node.js and those kind of things. You have to install Node.js in your local machines. Just you have to go to your project location and just write this command npx create react app. I'm going to name this project job generator xyt and hit enter. In this command it's automatically create the fresh react project. I'm gonna skip this installation part. Yeah, cool. This is the project, our fresh react project. First we need to run this project. Command is npm start project is running 3001 port. This is our fresh react project. This is we are going to build this project. Okay guys, project is set up successfully. Then we have to go to clean this project. App CSS, we don't need those CSS things, and app.js, and we are not need those kind of thing also. We are going to remove those things. I don't want this CSS file. I just enter the h1 tag react app, and I don't need the test file. Also I'm remove these things CSS, and also we don't need this because we are going to use Tailwind CSS for this project. Index CSS we need this, and logo SVG I'm going to remove these things. This test file we need this. Okay, let's go show our project. Okay, cool, very fresh. And okay guys, next step is we need to install Tailwind CSS into our project. For now we need to enter the Tailwind CSS with React. We need to go to this link, and here are the commands. First step is we already done npx reactor. We already create the next project. Now we need to this step installation. I'm going to stop this server. Okay, then npm install the Tailwind CSS. Okay, Tailwind CSS installation completed, and this thing is Tailwind CSS init, and it's create Tailwind CSS config file, and in this config file we need to add this content. Okay, it's done. Now we need to add those things into our index CSS file. Go to index CSS file. Okay. Cool, all good. Now we need to check this Tailwind CSS successful installation in our project. For now, for this we need to add this command and start the server. Remember guys, once you install the Tailwind CSS into project, you should stop the server and restart the server. Yeah, cool. All thing is complete. Tailwind CSS into completely install our project. Okay guys, next step is we need to design our application. Okay, here's the design. We have a black screen and we have a orange box, center box. Inside the center box we have the three layers: title and white box and a button. I'm going to design using Tailwind CSS. Here add div. Inside the div I'm going to create some classes. First I'm adding black screen, black, and 100% is screen 100%. Flex should be flex, and justify content center, and also items should be center. Okay, we need to check our design. Okay, we have now black screen. Now I'm going to design the orange screen. Div class name, and our background is orange. Sorry guys, orange, and MD. In mobile screen I want 100% pixel. So in large screen I want width should be 50%. Okay, this should be also flex, and I want rounded corner, both radius, and pixel 5, and also flex should be column, and I am going to add in some gap for 5 pixel. Yeah, 5. And so item should be item sense. Okay, now I'm going to add our title h1, class name. I want text size is text 2 extra large. Yeah, you can see 2 extra large is font size 1 pixel and line height 2 reams. Also I'm going to add some responsive things. In mobile screen text should be text. I want 2 XL. Sorry, yeah, XL. Okay, XL, and font semi-bold, and text should be white, Okay, our title is yoke generator. Okay, you can see small thing is missing. Orange, we should be enter the size. Yeah, you can see. Now we need to add the white color box. Inside the white color I'm showing the joke inside the white box. I'm creating div. Inside the div we need to add some classes. Big, background white, which should be full, and min height should be, I'm going to some custom height 20 reams. Okay, and also it should be rounded, flex, and flex also cool, flex work, and justify center, and items center, and I want to text should be center. Right. Let's give some text. Check. Okay, cool. We have the white box, and we have also this. Before text box, I'm going to add some key. Class name should be text. I'm going to add some text sizes, 2 pixel, 2 XL. Yeah, let's check. Test. Okay, fine. We have some font height, and I want this font should be bold, semi-bold. I'm going to add semi-bold, and I want to add some text color. Text should be gray. I'm going to add some gray. Yeah, this color is good. Let me check. Okay, fine. Now we need to add the button. Last layer. Going to add the button. Button should be. Button name is generate joke. Okay, now we need to design this button. Going to add some classes. Background should be black. Will be black. Okay, black. Text should be white. Sorry, text white. Okay. We want full width. It should be full. Okay, nice. Now we need to add some height. I'm going to find this 16 and rounded, and text 2 XL. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to add the hover once mouse pointer inside the button. We need to change the color. Hover should be background white, and hover text should be text color black. Text color black. Okay, let me check. Okay, nice. We have hover styling things, and our style is finished now. Now we need to create our. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to create our first custom hook. For that, we need to create our directory inside src. I'm going to create a directory called hooks. Inside the hooks folder, I'm going to create our first custom hook. Use joke generator. Okay. RFCE. Yeah. Create our function. For that, guys, I'm using Rapid API for getting jokes. Just you want to create, you have to go to the rapidapi.com, and you have to create your own account, and you just need to search the Rapid API version 2. Joke API version 2. You can see the function. This is the API URL we are going to call, and guys, remember, you should create your own account, because Rapid API key is Rapid API key is unique. Okay, this is the command function we are using. Fetch data into our system. Okay. Now inside use joke generator hook, I'm going to use state hook, because it should be automatically generate the
you automatically call the our use generator hook. I use effect hook. Inside the use effect hook, I'm going to create the fresh one, and this is the fresh one. So we have the parameter. Okay. Inside the use effect hook, I'm going to create the fetch data function. Const fetch data. I'm going to async function, create async function, async it should be arrow function. In here I'm going to call this function fetch data function. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to call the our API response. So guys, response equal, I'm going to await. I'm going to fetch function for getting data. Inside the fetch function, I want to add the URL. This is the URL we are going to call, and we inside the URL we need to pass the headers thing. For that, inside the fetch function, I'm going to, this should be a method is get method, because we are not passing any data into here. And headers, you can see we should be content type, and we need to add X rapid API key and something, and also we need to pass the X rapid API host. These parameters, these headers we should pass into rapid API for getting jogs. Okay, I'm going to create a env file for stay over these keys. I'm going to create a env file, okay. Inside the environment file, I want to create these things. These are my rapid API key, and these are my host. Okay. Now I need to get environment key to here. You should guys remember, don't keep key string in your inside the project. You should store those key things in your environment file. Process dot env dot what is the key API key. This is the API key. Okay, cool. And host will be process .env, and this is our host. Okay, headers are okay. Now we need to check our function is working. Need to check if response have okay. Sorry, oh, forget it. I want to call inside the function. That's why I got that error. Sorry guys. I'm not if okay, not okay. I want to throw this error. Throw new error. API fail. Okay. once it's getting successful response, I want to convert this into JSON. Response data convert into wait response dot JSON. Now it's convert into JSON format. Now I want to create use state for store data const I'm creating data and set data equal use state. I think you guys know use state is another hook. We can store data in our component. We can use the use state hook, use set data. Inside the set data I want to set response data, and we need to check const is pending equal set is pending equal use state. I'm create another use state for I want to add the loader inside our application. For that I'm create another use state. For that going to false. No, I want to pass the first, it should be true, sorry guys, true, and set is pending in this time false. Okay, now I want to return those things into our main component. For that I don't want this thing. Return should be our data and is pending. This variable I want to pass into our main component, and yeah. Okay guys, our first custom hook is created. Now I want to fetch data from our main component. Now I want to go to our app.js project. Inside the app.js project you can see in our custom hook it's returned the data and is pending data variables. So I want to catch those data in here. We can just data is pending equal use generator. I just want to call this use state hook. Okay, you can see use job generator, use custom hook is we already completed, and I want to check is correctly working. I'm just at the console.log. Here I want to check data is passing into our application. Okay guys, let's right click and show the inspect. Yeah, I go to the network tab and refresh the project. Okay guys, you can see the API, and we need to check the console log. This the data, it's coming from the API category errors, and this is the joke what I want. Okay, API calling is working, and our custom hook also working fine. Now I want to show the data in our application. For that I want to data copy paste, and here add data question mark dot joke. Let's see. Wow, It's working fine, guys. But a small thing, we need to generate the joke once I click the generate joke button. For that, guys, we need to create use state const new joke, set new joke equal use state equal 0. So technically I am going to do, once I click the generate button, I want to call the use state, and once use state function trigger, then I am going to pass this variable into our custom hook. So once I pass this variable into use our custom hook, it should be re-rendered. For that, I'm going to here on click function, on click, I'm going to arrow function here, set new joke. Inside set new joke, I want new joke plus 1. Okay. So for now I press the generate joke button. It's called the use state hook, and I'm going to pass the it's this variable is change, and I'm going to pass the new joke into our custom hook. Inside the custom hook, we need to trigger we need to resolve this thing. In here I want to copy the new joke variable, and I want to add this here, and also I'm going to add the dependency array. So once dependency array is triggered, it's all again fetch the data from this API. Okay, let me check our application is working fine. Once I click the generate joke button, it's working fine. Nice. Okay, guys, now we want to resolve this pending thing. I want to pending once before getting the joke. For that, I'm going to here is pending. Here I am going to add some design, some spinner, div, class name, reflex, and justify contain center and items center. Sorry, guys. Okay, inside the div, I want to add the animated spin, div, class name. We can use the animate spin class. It's already created in a tailwind CSS. Spin, and let's be rounded. Rounded should be full, height 12, and width also 12, bordered, border B2, and border gray. I'm going to add the border color. Border should be gray, this color. Okay, let's check. Okay, we have a spinner code. Now once I click the generate button, it's show the it's create a new joke for me. Okay, guys, finally we create our custom hook. I'm going to So this is our custom hook. We don't need this thing. Okay, fine. uh, okay guys, finally we create our first custom hook. This is the way how to create a custom hook. I think you can you learn today a new thing in a React. uh, okay, finally, thank you very much guys. If you learn new thing in this video, please subscribe my channel and click the thumbs up button. Join with me. You can learn new thing, new concept in using my channel. Next video I'm going to show you how to deploy this project using Vercel, and so join with me. Thank you. Bye bye.